Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Nayak. I am from Odisha. I had completed BSc Computer Science in 2019. After I am looking for good opportunity and I joined Evision through Naukri.com. Evision the best online platform for enhancing career transition learning a latest IT technology. And I have got placed in ACCENTURE for 3 LPA. Thank you Evision, and trainers are very helpful here and they do conduct practical and theory as well as to thank you Evision for all support give to me. Thank you.